In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Safari search history. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings. Then scroll down all the way until you find Safari. And then on Safari settings, we need to scroll down until we find Clear History and Website Data. All we have to do is just tap on it, and then we need to select for which exact period of time we would like to clear search history. We can select for last hour, for today, today and yesterday, and also all history. I'm gonna select all history, and then also we can turn on the option which is called close all tabs, or we cannot. To continue, just tap at that button. That will clear all the history for a selected period of time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.